I'm going to play some YouTube videos, and I'm going to let you listen to exactly how this right here sound over here. All right, and I got to record it for you so you can actually hear exactly what it sounds like. All right, so it sounds really good right here, right? Now we'll turn around. You can hear it on the right hand side. Then left hand side. Or on my left, my right. If I move it up, you can hear it up above me. All right, so that's what spatial audio sounds like with you watching YouTube on a web browser on one of these. Have a good one. I did kind of wink to you, by the way. I don't know if you saw that or not. Okay, never mind.